In this video, we're going to talk about how to integrate an existing Rollbar project with Pivotal Tracker. But before we begin that, let's touch on a couple of assumptions that we're going to make. Number one, we're assuming you have an existing Rollbar project that's actually received some errors. And secondly, that you have an account in Pivotal Tracker that you can integrate with Rollbar. As you can see here, we have our Rollbar project. We generated some errors. So what we're going to do now is actually integrate this project with Pivotal Tracker. So we're going to go ahead and click on Settings. We're going to click on our project here. We're going to under Integrations here, we're going to select Notifications. And then we're going to go down here and click on Pivotal Tracker. And as you can see here, we've never integrated with Pivotal Tracker. With our Pivotal Tracker account, we have not linked it with our Rollbar account. So if you log into Pivotal Tracker and you click on your username and scroll down here, you have your API token. This is what you're going to want. So we're going to go back here to Rollbar. We're going to put in our API token. We're going to click Enable. And we can see here that we have set up the basic part of the integration. So we can customize it now. We can send a test notification if we want to do that. I want to show you down here, these are our rules. Now these same rules apply for any of our out-of-the-box integrations. These are sort of some of our default rules here. But if we wanted to go and click on edit for a particular rule, I wanted to show you this because these can all be customized. So in this example, we're looking, and when an item is reopened, reopen the Pivotal Tracker story. But I could go in here if I wanted to, and I could say, you know what? If the error is greater than or equal to the info, I want it to generate an error. And maybe I want to add the environment production. And I could add context, file name, title, environment, unique IPs affected. I could add other fields to make this even more granular, so I'm not just going to be blasting Pivotal Tracker. I want to make it, and I can configure it, and I can customize it to my needs, so it's only going to send information of Pivotal Tracker that's really critical and important to me, which is really important. So I'm going to click Save. And now we're going to go back here to Items, and we're going to click on a particular item. And as you can see here, it says Create Pivotal Tracker Story. Before we click on that, you might ask, well, why would I want to integrate with Pivotal Tracker? Well, obviously, if you're using Pivotal Tracker, your development team, and you're tracking Pivotal Tracker stories, you can actually manage all of those within the context of the Rollbar GUI here, as you can see. If I didn't have this set up, I would have to go back and forth between Pivotal Tracker and Rollbar and copy Rollbar data into Pivotal Tracker and so on and so forth. So it'd be a lot of context switching and be rather tedious. So as you can see here, we've actually created the story in Pivotal Tracker. I'm going to click View here so we can see specifically what was created in here. So we can see this was the exception message, this is the actual exception, and this is the link back to the Rollbar item. Okay. So if we go back over here, if I wanted to unlink this Pivotal Tracker story, I could do that. I could link to another one if I wanted to do that. So I have a lot of flexibility in how this integration is set up. So hopefully this provided an overview of using Pivotal Tracker with Rollbar. Feel free to reach out or go check our website for more information.